Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create fake WhatsApp account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can create unlimited fake WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store or your play store. Now once you open your app store or your play store, then you search for your WhatsApp. Now once you search for your WhatsApp, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So if your WhatsApp is not updated to the latest version, you have to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated your WhatsApp to the latest version, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp. Now once you open your WhatsApp, all you need to do is to click on agree and continue. So click on that. Now you can see it is asking for your contact. Just click on use a different number, and now you can see it is asking for your contact. Now all you need to do is to open your browser. Now once you open your browser or your Google, then you search for temp SMS. Now once you search for temp SMS, I'll advise you to click on the first link. Now once you click on the first link, you can see, just wait as it is loading, and you can see so many countries and their number. So you can see so many countries over here, so you have to select the one that you prefer, but in my case I'll use United States. And once you click on United States, you can see United number, and you can see over here temporary phone number to receive SMS from USA. So all you need to do is to click on receive SMS and then skip the ad. Now once you skip the ad, you can see copy. Just click on copy and number is copied. You can see over here number copied. Now just open your WhatsApp and select the country to USA. So just look for USA. United States is just here, so just look for United States. Now once you have selected United States, just paste the number over here and then click on done. Now you can see OTP code is sent over here, so we just scroll down and then click on refresh. You can see refresh to view latest SMS. Now once you refresh, you can see over here, you can see the OTP code over here. Now copy this OTP code and use it to create your fake WhatsApp account. With this you can create unlimited fake WhatsApp account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video